replacing the timing chain tensioner on my S2000. It's been rattling like crazy past few months. So yeah, first things first, get this thing out. We're gonna have to remove the airbox. Shouldn't take too long. It's like 3 bolts that hold around, that go around the actual box. And yeah, so I'll put the camera down and see what I can do. Yeah, so I finally got the airbox out. Yeah, all it really was 3 bolts. So this is where we're gonna be working on. Under the VTEC solenoid, this little tensioner here. And yeah, so we're gonna, I guess, pull that out and see, go from there. Comparison between the two. I believe this is OEM. Could be wrong. Yeah, it's OEM. Well, that just happened. Also, I forgot to mention, if you're gonna do this, make sure you see these rubber gaskets. Here, add some 10W30 motor oil on it. So next time, if you ever have to, you probably won't, but if you ever have to replace this, it'll be easier to get out. Alright, so putting in wasn't that hard. It's over here actually. It's over here. You can see it kind of just slides right through. If it doesn't, you probably have to adjust the oh god, I hate this camera sometimes. This thing, the crankshaft pulley bolt, so you can wiggle that thing in. But in terms of like putting mines in, it wasn't that hard. You just kind of shoved it in. But yeah, so we're just gonna bolt it down. So now that it's snug, we're gonna go ahead and torque the 2 bolts. This bolt and the other one on the other side to 8 foot-pounds. Then we're gonna take this the screw off and then put the what's it called? The cover on, and then after that it'll be all set to go. I'm just gonna put the airbox back on, and then yeah. Got my tensioner bolts on, everything's torqued up. Gotta put the airbox on, and my nigga Josh tried to. He pulled up, and we're gonna, I guess, it's rattling, right? Your bumper?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's rattling. So we're just gonna reinstall like his old bolts. Gosh, you be all set. If you need tools, bro, just come over. So